Now, how to import the inventory of products for the retail. So in the back office, if you click in the main menu on products, then you will have inventory, and inventory you can say take an inventory. And then here I can say, okay, I will find my Excel spreadsheet, and let us say that spreadsheet is this one. And then you say validate, and you will see that spreadsheet here coming in. You can verify everything that is in the spreadsheet. And the next step is to say the header is on line 1 and the data begins on line 2. Now I can say apply this, and now I can say that are the fields that are needed in our system, and you can say okay, that is the column that is in the spreadsheet named like this. And you can do that for each field. And when it's done, you just need to say prepare for integration, and you will upload all this information into the database, and you will be able to use it in the system. So like usually, if you have any comment or question, don't hesitate to ask.